Sa game na to mga lods, roam Selena ako. Tinulungan ko ang core namin para mabilis makapag-farm. Pero sa kasamaang palad aksidente kong naagaw ang buff niya kaya agaran akong nag-sorry. At mabait naman pala si Idol kaya naisip kong buhatin ko na lang siya para di siya magalit sa akin. At panoorin nyo na lang mga lods kung paano ko sila na tsambahan binuhat.
Know they know that I'll be there through the highs and lows. Keep in mind if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone, I will be there. When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. You fall down, I'ma pick you up. I will be. Rolling down the river to the ocean, and there's no one else around. You won't question.
Mga lods, pwede po bang makuha ang inyong subscribe, likes and shares? Salamat po.